Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 9 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings. Then find and select wallpapers and style, and here mark more wallpapers. Here you can select the album from which you want to choose your wallpaper. It can be one from your own photos, Live in Universe album, Sphere Link petals, whatever you prefer. Let me choose, for example, this one. Now you can take a look how it looks on both home and lock screen, and if you want to apply it as your wallpaper, just mark Set Wallpaper. Finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it, it has been set. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.